In this video I will help you fix Chrome issues like slow loading, crashing or freezing issue. First and foremost things that we can do is update Chrome. Update Chrome typically include bug fixes, security patches and performance improvements. To do this, open Chrome and then click on three dots at the top right corner. Next click on Help. Then click on About Google Chrome. Now your browser will automatically checks for update, and if available then it will automatically update for you. Then click on Relaunch button. It will close and reopen newly updated Chrome for you. Next things you can do is kill high memory consuming tabs. For this, click on three dots at the top. Then click on More Tools. After that, click on Task Manager. Then under Memory Footprint, search for the tab that is consuming more RAM. Then you can end its task as shown here. Remove or disable Chrome extension. Disabling or removing Chrome extensions can improve browser speed by reducing resource consumption and potential conflicts. For this, open Chrome and in the address bar type Chrome:/extension and press enter. Then you can click on Remove button next to the extension that you do not need. If there are issues related to graphics rendering or compatibility with graphics drivers, then disabling graphical acceleration might be helpful. For this, go to address bar and then type Chrome://settings/system and press enter. Then just toggle off Use Graphics Acceleration when available option. Next click on Relaunch button. Next things, reset all Chrome flags you made changes on it. So go to Chrome://flags and press enter. Then click on Reset All button. This is reset all changes you have made on this page. Click on Relaunch to take this in action. Next things we can do is delete browsing data. For this, click on three dots at the top. Then click on Settings. Then in the search bar, search for browsing. Click on Delete browsing data under Privacy and Security. Then you check these three checkboxes and under time range select all time and then click on Delete data. Do not worry, it will not delete your saved password. Now close all Chrome and reopen and you will find some improvement in performance and might fix crashing issue. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.